Okay, Kent, what are we making today?
Scones.
Scones. I'm not sure how to say it. Well, first we'll start. We have 2 cups of flour. Now, let's add some sugar.
Can I put this in?
Of course. How about we do 2 scoops of that? One. 2 scoops. And we're going to need half a teaspoon of baking soda.
1 scoop.
Yep. And we'll also do half a teaspoon of salt. So that same little red one. 1 scoop of that one. And then we'll do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1. That was a big one. Yeah, let me level off the top of it first. Hold it over there. And 2. Excellent.
This was blah.
All right, let's whisk that together a bit. Great job. Okay, we've mixed that nice and well. Now we're going to add 1/3 cup of butter. I've pre-chopped it and I'll have it been cooling in the fridge, so that way it mixes better in. But we're not going to use that one though. We're going to use this one. You got to try and mash them, and that's going to chop it up to tiny little pieces. I think I'm going to have to do this part. You don't quite have enough muscles.
I just do the mixing part.
All right, we've been mashing those into coarse peas, large, small chunks. You want them into the good sized pieces, that way once they start heating up, they melt and you get that nice flaky scone that we want.
And I do the blueberries.
Yep, now we're gonna add about 1 cup of blueberries. Fresh or frozen works. I'm using frozen right now. Once you mix those in a little bit with that. Yeah, it's a good mix. All right, now that those are mixed in, we're going to add 1 cup of chilled milk. The colder the better, that way it doesn't melt the butter. Yeah. And then I'm going to add just about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. To just help bring out the flavor of the blueberries.
Well, this is
I want you to let me get in there and mix it a little bit too.
pretty tough,
Yeah,
right? Pretty tough for everyone.
pretty tough. But we're tough guys too, aren't we? You want to keep mixing until it's a nice firm dough.
I thought we need a mixing machine.
No, we don't need the mixing machine for this one.
I thought we need.
Once we've mixed it pretty well, it starts clumping together. It's time to shape it. Now, a lot of people will form it into a disc and then chop it into the slices to get that conventional scone shape. But personally, I just form it into balls, and it's close enough. I mean, it's just me and the kids eating it. It's not like I own a bakery, right?
And then there's a put it on there.
Just like that, yep. Did you want to try and do one?
Do they have to be big?
They don't have to be big. It can be whatever size you want it to be. What size do you want to do?
I'd like to do medium.
Sure. All right, grab how much you want.
This is how much you can do medium.
That's a medium one?
Yeah.
All right, why don't you just put it back down on that side there. That's a medium one, huh? I'm all right with that.
How many to make?
It should make about 8.
8?
8?
That means 4 by 4, 4 or 5.
Yep, 4 by 4. Or 4 by 2, sorry.
before my turn back to bigger.
Yep. All right, our last step is going to be to paint the tops with some milk and sprinkle with sugar. All right, well done that. We're going to pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. All right, it's been cooling for about 10 minutes. Let's see how it tastes. Looks nice and light in there. A little bit spongy. Could be flakier, but still gonna look really good with some coffee in the morning. All right, who's gonna try this first?
Good. Good.
Good. Ken, what do you think?
Good.
Two thumbs up as well. A little surprised. I wasn't a big fan, but these are okay for you guys? Did you eat them for breakfast?
We ate them for breakfast.
You're not gonna try a bite?